Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful card for International Yoga Day using paper quilling strips and some color shading. It's looking very vibrant. So you can gift it to your yoga teacher or your yoga trainer, or you can just frame it and mount it on your wall. So let's start with the procedure. So first I am taking this white sheet which measures 6 by 10 centimeters, and I have created one leaf template. So I'm just going to trace this leaf template on this. This white sheet is having 200 GSM thickness. Now I'm just cutting it. Like this. In the same way I have created two more, so in total we need three, and also we will be needed two more leaves for back side. So I have little small paper for that, but it's okay anyways. I'm going to hide it on back side. So actually you need total 5 petals of same size to create this lotus kind of shape. Now I'm just going to stick these petals with each other to construct my lotus shape. So this is done. Now I'm going to color the lotus using some acrylic color. So first I'm spraying some water on my paper surface, and then I'm taking chrome yellow, orange and crimson red and just doing some shading. Here I'm using acrylic colors because acrylic colors are permanent, and when you will do quilling work on it, it will not get smudged. So this is done. Now I'm taking the card base which measures 30 by 20 centimeters. I have just folded this in half, and now I'm going to stick my lotus on top of this. So the card base is ready. Now I'm taking one white color 3 mm quilling strip. I have just folded this in half, so just add little glue first and then fold it from center and stick it like this to create the thick strip. In the same way I have prepared some more strips, and now one by one I will cover each leaf or petal using these quilling strips from edge. So just add little glue on the edge and start adhering these strips. In the same way, complete remaining petals. So after adding white strip on all petals, it will look like this. Now I'm starting with some quilling shapes. So first I am making quilling scroll. So I have just taken one white color strip. First create half strip and then fold it again and create 1/4 strip. So we have 4 1/4 strip. Gather it all together, fold it from center, and now rolling it using pointed tweezer and creating a scroll. Just cut the excess strip from bottom, level it, and then add little glue at the end to secure all the strips. In the same way, we need 4 scrolls. Now for the small scroll, I am taking half strip only. Just fold it from center and we need total 2 1/4 strips. Then gather it together, fold it from center and again create a scroll. So in the same way, we need total 2 small scrolls. Now for this leaf shape, I am taking half strip of white color 3mm strip and I am taking my pen, which is having 1 centimeter diameter, and I am just rolling the strip around this to create a ring. Now just pinch on both the sides and create a leaf shape. Now to create big shape, I am taking 1.5 centimeter diameter bottle and taking one white strip and making a ring again. Then I am just pinching in the bottom and making a drop ring shape. Then for the next shape, I am taking one strip of white color and using 2 centimeter diameter bottle and again creating a ring. Then again making a drop shape ring. Then for the next shape, I am taking 2.5 centimeter diameter bottle and one strip of white color and making one leaf ring shape. So this is also done. Now I am taking half strip of white color and making one tight coil. In the same way, I have created one more. So in total we need 4 big scroll using one strip, 2 small scrolls using half strip, 2 tight coil using half strip, 2 tight coil using 1/4 strips for each, 6 leaf shape rings using half strips for each, 1 teardrop using 1 strip, 1 teardrop using 1 strip and 1 leaf using 1 strip. So here I have already decorated 2 petals with the same method. So I am showing you the center one. All these front petals will have same design. So now I am adding one by one all the shapes which we just have created. Then I am taking one more 1/4 strip of white color and making one tight coil. So in total actually we need 3 small tight coils using 1/4 strips. So I'm adding these tight coils here and this is done. Now the difference between these bottom petal and the center petal is only one thing, that here this side I have added only 2 leaf rings and one tight coil which is made using half strip of white, and rest everything is same as the center one. Now I'm starting with this corner one. So I have prepared some shapes already. We need 2 scrolls using 1 strip, 2 scrolls using half strip, 1 tight coil using half strip, 1 tight coil using 1/4 strip, and 1 ring using 1 strip, and I have used 2 cm diameter bottle. Now I'm just pinching on both the sides and creating a leaf ring shape like this. And now for the small leaf ring, I'm taking 1/4 strip of white color and just randomly making a small ring. And create a leaf shape. In the same way we need total 3 petals. Now I will start arranging all the designs one by one. And it's done. Now here I have given you the template of this yoga image in the description box. You just need to download it and print it on any thick sheet. Here I am using 250 GSM paper and I have created this image, and now I am fussy cutting this using my scissor. So this is done. Now I will color the whole image using black acrylic color. And this is done. Now I'm taking my yoga image and I'm going to stick it on top of the lotus. Like this. So the beautiful greeting card for Yoga Day is ready. You can write an extra message inside the card. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.